We're kind of like Santa's little toy shop.
I came and I interned here, and I loved it, so when I graduated, I came back.
First impressions here were definitely like, wow.
We're a custom fabrication company. We can do anything from museums to public art pieces to theme parks to theaters to shows to live events to exhibits.
Every morning I look and see tweets and photos of people in a place that we designed, we built, we installed. Figuring out how to take this picture from someone's imagination and make it into a real thing.
Sometimes we've got some really blue sky ideas that are crazy and wild. That's why clients come to us.
We need a really diverse workforce. We have fine artists, we have engineers, we have folks that have done all sorts of different things in the past. That's when we get the best work, when we get different voices in the room.
There's a lot of teamwork.
It's just such an incredible feeling to know that you worked along an entire team to make this idea happen for this person.
Because we're a global company and we do projects all around the world,
everybody here has the opportunity to let people know that they're interested in traveling.
I feel if I could get a job here, that would be a great opportunity to not only weld, but also weld in places that I've always wanted to go to.
When I was younger, I would be drawing, doodling.
Well, my first memory is of painting at 3 years old, so I painted all my life.
Legos were a huge thing from the time we were young. All of a sudden, I'm building things that actually go on stage for a show.
I've definitely had a focus on the hands-on world for a while since I was a kid. If you're good with your hands and you're not so good in the classroom, there's tons of opportunities.
If you want to focus on design, you can. If you want to focus on becoming a tremendously talented custom fabricator, you can. If you want to work in estimation, you can. At a place like Adirondack, there are avenues and opportunities open to you.
I love working at Adirondack Studios because it's a challenge.
We work with some of the most creative and resourceful clients in the world.
I get so much satisfaction from working here.
To be able to be a part of things that bring that much happiness and joy to people is terribly fulfilling.